creators, welcome back to the HitPaw channel.
What if AI images weren't just pretty, but actually useful? A year ago, tools like Nano changed the game, but now ChatGPT Images 2.0 takes things to a whole new level, and yes, it's going head-to-head with Nano 2. So which one is actually better? Let's break it down.
First, precision. ChatGPT Images 2.0 is insanely good at following instructions.
We're talking accurate layouts, correct object placement, even small text and UI elements that most AI tools completely mess up. And this is a big deal, especially for things like posters, thumbnails, and social media graphics. With most AI tools, text comes out distorted, misspelled, or just unusable. But Images 2.0 can actually generate clear, readable, well-placed text, titles, subtitles, buttons, labels, you name it.
That means you're not just generating images, you're generating ready-to-use designs. Nano 2, it's fast, it's creative, but when it comes to text and structured layouts, it still struggles. It often feels like it's guessing what you meant, instead of truly understanding it.
Next, design quality. Images 2.0 doesn't just generate images, it designs them. The composition feels intentional, balanced, clean, almost like a human designer made it. Especially for posters, hierarchy, spacing, typography placement, it just makes sense visually. Nano 2 can look great too, but side by side, it leans more AI generated, especially in complex scenes or text-heavy designs.
However, ChatGPT Image 2.0 has restrictions for non-subscribers, and here's something even more practical. You can actually use this power right now on HitPaw Online. It integrates ChatGPT Images 2.0, so you're not just generating images, you're working inside a full AI toolkit. You've got text-to-image, image-to-image, and built-in AI enhancement tools. Need to remove a watermark? Done. Enhance a blurry photo or video? One click.
Adjust quality, aspect ratio, even generate multiple versions at once. It's all built in.
And the best part? Everything happens online. No downloads, no complicated setup.
That's a big difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.